And what a lovely morning. Ah, yeah, look at the ducks. Look at these pegs here. These are called micro pegs. But they've grown a little bit. Come on then. Come on. Lovely. He's a big grunter, isn't he? God. Here's the new one. Oh my God. Bloody hell. Lovely. Well looked after here. This is a beautiful place where we are. You coming over? Come on then. Lovely. Come on then. Come on. Look at the belly on there. He's a big one. And them teeth, them tusks. My God. Nice and friendly these pigs are. Excellent. Both of them together. Look at that. Micro pigs. Overgrown. Hey, look at Robin. Robin's come see us as well. There's ducks and chickens about somewhere. I don't know where they've gone. And the guinea fowl. They are, where we got a cock out there. Let's have a wander. Aye. That's it, I don't know where they've all gone. Pure bliss this place is. It is. They're the guinea fowl. He's the guinea fowl. Look at them. Beautiful. Lovely. See if we get a bit close. There we go, look at these. Yeah, look at the golden pheasants. Hey? Hello beauties, if we can focus. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, look at this country. A bit hard to see through. There's one. There's a beauty. Look at that. Wow. That's it. Oh, there's Samantha. You know, it's past 10 o'clock and she's just got up. Oh, look at you. Having a sleep, aren't you? Eh? Chilling. Chilling. Beautiful. This is alive. This is alive. Yeah, look what's here. Look what's here. 3 guinea fowl. They run around crazy, and the noises they make. Amazing. Oh look, there's me van. And there's me Rottweilers. Can you hear Rambo? Brilliant. That'll do. Lovely.